Slide with me if you feel like.
Friends, family, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and don't know who I am, my name is Janelle, aka Melispanic. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button because we're gonna have some interesting topics: fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Now I just want to point out that I did have my eyelash extensions removed. I miss them already. You know, it's kind of addicting getting a refill every 3 weeks, so I'm gonna miss that. I am going to be saving up my coins. Stay tuned. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Oh, Fashionphile, you just never fail to draw me into your luxuries. I have been looking at this bag for a while and I have been watching YouTube videos and reviews, this and that, and you know what, I was like, what the heck, let me get one, because I don't have a YSL bag in my collection, so you know, today I do. So let's just get right into unboxing because I've done enough talking today. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Woo! And like always, a nice, beautiful nail filer with Fashionphile's logo and a quote. I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. I hope y'all can see this. Okay, so the bag is definitely in here. I know for a fact because what else would it be? And it comes with a sticker. Used is the new. And you know what, y'all? I totally agree because if you're paying full price for something, child, good luck to you. Hopefully that increases in value over the years because I'm done paying full price for items. Alright. It comes with the Fashionphile dust bag. It also does not come with the box. And I bought this used, therefore I didn't really care much for the box and that dust bag because honestly I don't even use dust bags for my bags. I just don't. Are y'all ready? I don't know if y'all are ready. Okay. Oh my god. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look at the back. Look at the detailing, y'all. Can I just point out this beautiful Y-shaped calfskin leather? Oh my gosh. Okay, first impression, obviously the looks. This looks freaking adorable. Fashionphile also puts a certificate of authenticity. Usually within the package, like in a separate note or separate card. But you know, this is different because it's here attached to the bag with the Fashionphile logo. And I don't know what this says. I'm about to read this to y'all real quick. Snip the tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once removed. Okay, no returns once this is removed. All right, stop. I'm reviewing this with y'all. So if it turns out that I don't want to keep it, then I'll let you know within this video. But so far, honey, I think this is staying. Beautiful YSL logo. Can you just see the quality of this leather and how freaking beautiful it is? It has a little, what you call these things? Well, it has the strap hook up. I'm assuming the strap is inside the bag. It does come with the strap, and I think that's it sticking out right there. But y'all, look at this. Look at that. Look how freaking beautiful. All right, now we're gonna open it up. Okay. Now it feels so soft, y'all. Like, this feels so freaking soft and durable at the same time. Like, I've never felt a bag this soft and durable ever. I've had a calfskin bag, and that was a Kate Spade bag. I'll insert pictures if I find it. Honestly, I forgot the name, but you know. Oh my god, y'all. Ah, look at this. Okay, all right, let's put this down real quick. It does come with the YSL Dust Bag. Saint Laurent. Yeah, Saint Laurent. Not sure why they didn't put it. I don't know. A Fashionphile would be weird like that sometimes. They just want to promote their brand. Okay, now this comes with the original tag from Saint Laurent. And I guess somebody ripped off the price tag because this was probably a gift originally to somebody, and I guess they did not want it or something within those lines. But yeah, I also want to point out that this strap can actually come off, and this bag can be converted into a freaking clutch, y'all. Like, this literally can come off right here if you just, let me show y'all. Just unstrap this, unhook that, and then you pull it out all the way, and then obviously like it'll unloop. But I'm not gonna do that because I do not want to wear this as a clutch. I will be wearing this as a normal crossbody slash shoulder bag. The hardware on the strap, on the little buckle here, it says Paris. No, look, Saint Laurent, and then on the back right here, Paris. Cute, I love it. All right, now let's finish strapping up the bag. Once we open up the bag, you're gonna see right inside there are compartments built in the bag to store your credit cards or any cards for that matter. So we got a blank, you know, this would be about the size of a regular credit card. Yeah, look how snug and secure that is. So it also has a little compartment, you know, if you want to put your phone or your keys in here, you can do that. And you know what really drew me to this bag is that it is considered a mini bag, yet it has a compartment in the middle that divides the bag into 2 sections. So if I wanted to put my phone here and my keys in the other compartment over here, I can do that. It also has a zip pocket, as you can see. So you know what, this really does have a lot of space. Now I'm gonna use my phone for an example to compare the size of my phone. Now this is the iPhone 11, so I will be putting it here, and just look how oh my gosh, and there's still space to put more things here if I wanted to, y'all. Like, could switch it up and put it on the other side of the compartment if I wanted to. Look at that. Real quick, I just want to talk about why I got this Ysl Toy Lulu bag in this color. I watched so many reviews on YouTube specifically with this bag, with the Toy Lulu in the color black. You know, it had all black and silver hardware, or all black and gold hardware. I see all these reviews on YouTube of people doing it with the all black version and this and that, but where's this color at? Now this is considered Faggio. That's the name of the color, and in person, honestly, it's like a grayish brown color. In total, I paid $1,200.31. All right, who's ready for some mud shots? Please remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more and join our family. But I'm so happy you stuck around this long.